In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wayfair items to a registry, WeddingBaby. Whether you're building a wedding registry, a baby registry, or consolidating wish lists, this simple process will let you capture your favorite Wayfair finds in just a few clicks. First, install the Registry button or browser extension provided by your registry platform. Look for something called a Universal Registry button or an Add to Registry extension. On desktop, you'll typically see an Add to Chrome, Add to Safari, or Add to Edge option. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow the permissions, and if your browser supports it, pin the extension so it's visible in your toolbar. If you're on a device where extensions aren't available, many registries also offer a bookmarklet you can drag into your bookmarks bar. Before moving on, make sure you're signed in to your registry account so the item saves to the right place. If the button isn't showing up after installation, refresh your browser or restart it to activate the tool. Next, go to Wayfair and find the product you want to add. Open the item's product page, then choose any required options like color, size, finish, or bundle configuration. Double-check availability, delivery timelines, and return policies, especially for larger items or furniture. If you're building a baby registry, take a moment to confirm safety ratings and any age or weight recommendations listed on the page. This is a great time to think about quantities too. Decide how many you actually want guests to purchase. Now, click Add to Registry using the button or extension you installed. A small window will appear asking you to confirm the registry you want to use. Select the correct wedding or baby registry if you have more than one. You can usually adjust quantity, assign a category, add a note for your guests, or set a priority level. Notes are helpful for clarifying color preferences, room measurements, or why you chose a specific model. If you don't see the Add button, try pressing it again from the exact product page. Ensure pop-up blockers are disabled for Wayfair, and confirm you're signed into your registry account in another tab. Finally, check your registry. Open your registry dashboard and confirm the item's title, price, image, and link all look correct. If needed, edit quantity, set priority, or move the item into a more accurate category so guests can find it easily. If you see duplicates, remove extras to keep your list tidy. When everything looks good, you're done. Your Wayfair pick is officially on your registry and ready to share.